Hello everyone, it's Tayaba. Today we draw a umbrella. Umbrella is useful in rainy season. I love rainy season so much. Please try to draw with me. It is very easy to draw. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. We are drawing water drops. Now will we color it? It's red color. Red color I like so much. What's your favorite color? Please tell me. This is yellow color. Sun is yellow. Orange. Sky blue. Dark pink. Green. Brown. Blue. Our umbrella is ready. Like the video.